Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this our new YouTube channel Corpus Physics. Friends, in this our new YouTube channel we will discuss the topics for those students which are preparing for competition exams. In example we can say that CSIR Net Physics, IIT JAM, GET Physics, and for those students also which are studying in UG or PG classes. Friends, in this our lecture series, firstly we have chosen the paper of physics, the relativity and statistical physics. The paper name is relativity and statistical physics. Here relativity word is all of you have discussed in previous classes also. Friends, relativity word has been taken from the word relative, and relative motion you have discussed in previous classes also. This word all of you have heard many times in previous classes and in previous topics. Friends, here we want to discuss something about of relativity. Friends, you can suppose if any object is moving and we are at the rest position relative to that object which are moving, then we will observe the object is moving. But friends, the person which is sitting in the object which are moving with some velocity or with some speed, that person will observe the object is in position of rest. Friends, in other examples we can say that with the help of other examples, if we consider any train is moving 40 meter per second, any train is moving with the velocity 40 meter per second. Here we have supposed any train is moving with the velocity 40 meter per second. Friends, we have chosen, or we can say that we have considered the three observers A, B, C, which will observe the velocity of train. Here we have considered the observer A is at rest relative to the train, and observer B is moving with velocity 10 meter per second in the direction of velocity of train. And friends, we have considered C is moving 10 meter per second velocity in opposite to the direction of velocity of train. Here we have considered train is moving 40 meter per second. We have chosen three observers A, B and C. Observer A is at rest position. Observer B is moving with 10 meter per second velocity into the direction of velocity of train, and we have chosen here the observer C is also moving 10 meter per second velocity into the opposite direction of the velocity of train. Then Friends, if we observe, or we can say that if the observer A observe the velocity of train, then it will observe the velocity of train is 40 meter per second. But friends, observer B does not observe the velocity of train is 40 meter per second, because it is also moving 10 meter per second velocity into direction of velocity of train. The observer B will observe the velocity of train is 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 meter per second. Friends, observer C will observe the velocity of train is 40 plus 10 is equal to 50 meter per second. Here we have chosen three observers A, B and C. Friends, in upcoming lectures we will discuss the very most important topic, frame of reference. Frame of reference is very most important topic in this, according to this topic. Friends, we will discuss the frame of reference are two types, inertial or non-inertial. Inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference we will discuss in again or upcoming lectures. So here we have discussed the meaning of the word relativity. Here we have seen that the velocity of train is different relative to different observers. Observers which is rest, observers which is moving into the direction of velocity of train, and observers which is moving opposite direction to the velocity of train. Hence we can say that the motion of any object or any particle is depend upon the observers from which we observe the velocity of that particle or object. Friends, our paper name is Relativity and Statistical Physics. This paper, Relativity and Statistical Physics, has been divided This paper, Relativity and Statistical Physics, has been divided into two branches. First, Relativity, and second, Statistical Physics. Friends, firstly we will discuss the all about of relativity, and also we will discuss some numericals related to that topics, which we will discuss in upcoming lectures, which will be important according to your competition exams and RUG and PG exams also. Friends, statistical physics. In statistical physics, statistics means we can say that counting. Statics word we have here, or all of you also have here in maths, in mathematics. Friends, in physics, in statistical physics we have taken here because we have faced many problems if we have many large number of particles is in motion. Friends, in example we can say that in previous classes we have discussed about of motion of any object or any particle or any single particle, but many complications has been arised if we choose at the same time many large number of particles are in motion. Then what is position of all the system of particles and motion of all the particles at the same time? We have faced many complications, many problems to solve this type of problems. In example, if we consider the motion of any atoms which have 2 electrons, then also we have faced, or many scientists faced many problems or many difficulties to solve this type of problems. Hence, the method statistical has been arised to solve this type of problems. A system which have many large number of particles, each particles may be identical also or not identical, may be different. But friends, statistical physics is also divided into 2 parts. We will discuss in the upcoming lectures, in the upcoming parts in statistical physics, all of these. Friends, statistical physics has been arised to solve the problem such that which cannot solve with the help of any maths or any other methods. In example, we can say that if we have many large number of particles which are in motion, then we cannot solve this type of questions. So the statistical approach, statistical method we have chosen to solve this type of problems or questions. Friends, one thing is very important according to, or we can say that relative to statistical physics. Statistical physics does not give a 100% correct solution of any system or system of particles, but it gives the very close correctness to the problems or such type of problems. Friends, statistical physics always gives answer of any problem in the form of probability. Hence, we will discuss in this branch in statistical physics firstly the word what is probability and what is basic rules of probability, and also some problems on the basis of probability. Friends, which is related to the probability. Friends, in this paper, relativity and statistical physics, it has 2 branches, as we have told you, relativity and statistical physics. The first part is relativity and second part is statistical physics. Firstly, we will discuss the relativity. The word relativity means, we have told you, relative means comparison with others. if any object is in motion, then we can say that this object is in motion relative to other fixed object. Hence, finally, we want to say that the paper relativity and statistical physics, we will continue in this paper one by one topic, and we will cover all the topics very simply in very simple language. So friends, today we will stop here, and in upcoming lectures we will discuss the word relativity or the part relativity of your paper relativity and statistical physics. Firstly, we will discuss the introduction of relativity, and in other words we can say that which we have told you the frame of reference. So thank you very much.